Meaning of engage.
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 Engage. Engage means to participate or become involved in an activity, conversation, or relationship. It can also mean to attract and hold someone's interest or attention. When someone engages with a task or project, they become actively involved and committed to its success. In personal relationships, engaging with someone can lead to deeper connection and understanding. In business or marketing, engaging with customers for clients is important for building trust and loyalty. Overall, engaging with another person or task involves active participation and a willingness to invest time and energy in the interaction.